It is an honor to be cited in contempt by a very corrupt House of Representatives. Uulitin ko. It is an honor to be cited in contempt by a very, very corrupt House of Representatives led by a very, very corrupt House Speaker. And basahin nyo na lang yung post ko earlier. Nandun yung sulat ko sa kanila. Ilang beses ko nang pinapadala yan sa kanila? 4 times. I think 5 or 4. I can't remember. 4 or 5 times. Read the content of my letter. Read it. Discuss it with your kainuman, etc. And now, you would see what kind of House of Representatives you have. Hindi ba? Kita-kita naman kanina eh. Hindi ba? And yun lang masasabi ko. You go ahead and continue your political persecution because bilog ang mundo. And ang masasabi ko lang is, I know my international law. So ngayon,